this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a stunning multicolor design using permanent craft vinyl first. We cut patterns on each colored vinyl using a cutting machine. This step brings our design to life by revealing the clean, precise pattern underneath. Then, we weed out the parts we don't need and combine the pieces together. Finally, we use transfer tape to lift the complete design and apply it onto a glass surface. Whether you want to decorate your home or create a personalized gift, this step-by-step process makes it easy to achieve professional-looking results. Join us and learn how to make your creative ideas shine with permanent craft vinyl.